Hey everybody, this is Chris Vernon with Motor Carrier HQ. Today we're going to talk a little bit about getting your own motor carrier authority. For most people, starting a trucking company and getting your own motor carrier authority is one of the biggest decisions you will ever make in your life. So you want to make sure you're going about it the right way. And we'll do more at Motor Carrier HQ to make sure you're headed down the right path. Take for instance, during the first call that you make to us, we'll take all the time that you need to help you develop a customized game plan that is going to get your trucking company off on the right foot. So let's take a look at everything that we'll cover during that initial call.
What entity type to use when forming a trucking company is something many people fail to consider, but should be one of your most important considerations. The three most common business structures are limited liability companies, commonly called LLCs, corporations, and sole proprietorships. Each structure has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. The main considerations are cost, ease of use, personal liability protection, and tax benefits. We'll discuss each and talk about which is best for your situation. Once we determine the right business structure, we can begin the motor carrier authority process. The process takes 21 days because of a mandatory government waiting period, and there's nothing we can pay, say, or do to shorten the process. Step 1 will be for us to apply for your USDOT and MC numbers. We can usually have those numbers to you within 30 to 60 minutes, which is important because your next step will be to get insurance quotes, which you can't get without your MC number. Agents can usually give you a ballpark price, but you won't get a hard cost without your numbers. Once we have your numbers, we will also file your BOC3, which we do for free, and many other companies charge an additional $50 to $100 for that service. Once you have decided who you are going with to purchase your insurance, you'll need to have your insurance agent post an MCS 90 with the FMCSA, the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration. The timing for when you do this is critical. You don't want to bind your insurance coverage too early and start paying for it long before the 21-day waiting period ends, or you'll just be wasting your money. We only want to see you spending money when and where you need to, so we will give you a reminder call about 1 week before your authority is set to go active to tell you to have your insurance agent post the insurance filings. Then, all you have to do is sit back and wait until the FMCSA grants your authority. We take a bare-bones approach when it comes to our customized game plan for 2 reasons. First, we only want you spending money when it's absolutely necessary. That first year in business can be tough, and keeping costs low will help you be successful. And second, we don't want to open Pandora's box with the government because you don't want them getting involved in your business any more than's absolutely necessary. So these are 3 things you absolutely have to do before you haul your first load. They are required by regulation. First, you have to file your UCR, or Unified Carrier Registration. Second, you've got to enroll in a DOT-compliant drug and alcohol consortium. And third, all your drivers have to receive a negative result on a pre-employment drug test prior to driving. If you get started on these things quickly, you won't have any problem completing them during your 21-day waiting period. We'll cover all these items in a little bit more detail during your initial call. The final items we'll cover are going to be more dependent on each unique situation, depending on your type of operation and where in the country you plan on running. First, every trucking company gets audited within the first year of operation, and we have a great audit assistance package that we'll talk about. It'll make that new entrant audit easy to prepare for and pass. Plus, we'll cover IFTA, or fuel tax reporting, pre-pass, and additional permits that are required if you are traveling in Kentucky, New Mexico, New York, or Oregon. I know we've covered a lot, and doing it all can be overwhelming, but we'll make the process simple and easy for you without costing an arm and a leg. So I hope you found this video helpful and that you'll give us a call so we can help you take one of the biggest and most exciting steps in your life. Our phone number is on your screen, so give us a call at 866-739-2032. And if you like the video, please do us a favor and hit the like button and share it with your friends. For more great tips and resources, check out our website at motorcarrierhq.com. Thanks and have a great day.